Wagwan now, you understand? I'm back. This is the one and only Silk Reacts. You understand? That sound like a lyrics just now, don't it? Don't it? Oh, from me tell about desert clocks, everything I get. Straight walla be bunker, Hey, people, this is the world boss. You understand? The king of dancehall return. But guess what? This is part 2 of the ER interview. Yo, that rhyme just now, bro. I'm reaching my studio. You understand? Although I'm in the studio already. But people, subscribe to me right now. You understand? Big up on yourself. People, share the video as well. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers and all the likers, all the taggers. You understand? Yes. People, leave your comment. You understand? You rate Vybz Kartel now. If you glad say him free, comment and say free world boss again. You see me? I say yes. Cause him sickness want free out of him body and know and take on the show now and then. You see me? I say you see me? Yeah. So people, we're gonna get right into it right now. You understand? This is the part 2 of the interview, guys. Yes. TVJ. Oh.
Kartel big and bad back in the day. But what about now? Can the world boss regain his crown in a changed musical landscape?
I say Wolan that pop up, bro. Wolan, I was about to say, yo, if you like her haircut just now, you understand that lady just show, bro. Yes, bro. Get it. You can get it over by here, designed by Lex right here. Bing! Yes. DM her and tell her that you need the fresh cuts, okay? Yes.
13 years, a long time in anyone's life.
True.
13 years in dancehall, a lifetime.
True.
Can you still be the man, although the sound of the music has changed?
Yeah, the sound of the music changed, but who set the trend? Think about it. Most of the youth them what you see now, them bleach out, them full of tattoo. Who that? A Kartel. Anyone me do a DNA right now, half a dancehall I might pick me.
Bro, that's facts.
Them care.
Yo, Jano star. Jano. And you know, make it be true as well, because like most of these songs, bro, some of these young artists sing, bro, it seems like it stuck one place to me, bro. You understand? Like it just circulate in one room, bro. Like they're not extending their song. It's like in their song, bro, like they can't find lyrics to that part. They just add bad words, bro. If you listen some of these dancehall songs right now, bro, it's just too much bad words and scamming, chopping. Una chop the line, a bang the line. Which girl na suck deso, a suck yaso. Like too much sucking, too much banging, too much. Yes, like, bro. You understand? Like, come on, bro.
I remember we adapt, you know, because we always a change your style, we always a change your sound. You see when they walk out of prison in an orange kerchief, in that style, yeah. And right now, kerchief rates from $120 to $1,000.
Jano star. People, guess how much I pay for this kerchief? Guess in the comment, bro. I'm not even gonna say the price, bro. Guess in the comment, bro.
Just think about it. We are the trendsetter from day one.
But the kids who always listen to you, they've moved on to other people though.
Yeah, they move on
moved
because
on to other DJs who have a different sort of vibe and flow.
Yeah, but think about this.
Yeah.
If you go up on TikTok right now, who are the biggest trending artists? Vybz Kartel. Who run TikTok? The kids them. So you find you have some 15-year-old girl and some 16-year-old girl a dance to all. She said she want shatter. She now want Harry Potter. Them song they are 20 years old, you know, Mr. Miller. Them song they are 18 years old.
For real. When him was, when him in a jail, bro. A real talk, guys. No cap, a real talk. So she want Harry Potter. She want
21 years old. And that the kids them have vibes too. Because if you compare me to the nowadays youth them, remember Vybz Kartel that same way the scale got tilt like this. In the same way Bob Marley did from 1981. And when we look on iTunes, at him we see stay so. So that's how it go. Good music can't dead, man. And great man live forever.
So me ask you up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel.
So what did you represent to the system for them to view you as a kind of threat?
Them I say, me mash up the picnic them and I lead them astray. Some I say, me have too much influence. So me feel like it's a combination of that. It's not the entire system, you know. Because me not the system, because the system does work. That's how it go, you know. See me, them used to fight Bob Marley. And Bob Marley never sing a gun song yet. So it was never about the lyrics. See me, them fight Bob Marley and he never do a gun song. He never tell the girl them fi wine pan them head top. So what them is a fighting for? It was always about the influence.
Some people will take offense at the comparison with Bob Marley.
No man no more than a man. I can't compare myself with all Jesus. No man no more than a man. When you walk on the earth, you're no more than me.
What do you think you represent to the youth today?
Legend, uncle, godfather.
You did go to prison for 13 years, but the fascination preceded your incarceration. Why are people so fascinated by you?
Because I do things my way. I think of that. In the same way when the system rise against me, I stand up on my 2 foot and I fight it. People respect the underdog who can fight back and win, you know. And people respect a youth to come different. So it's just a combination of a lot of things that make Vybz Kartel so appealing. Because remember, I stay a prisoner and sell gold and silver, you know. And get artists of the decade, you know. Which the decade they are prison me there.
You were busy in prison churning out music.
Like there's no other, bro, no other artist, bro. Hold on, let me fix this chain right here, bro. I have to fix this chain, bro. Because, yo, like, bro, same like, oh, I fixed this chain, bro. I'm trying to be different, bro. Yeah. Same like I just trying to be different, bro. Yeah, and although I'm different, bro. There's no other like me, bro. I fixed this chain right now in the video. You understand? Seem like, oh, Vybz Kartel get his winning streak, decades, gold. You understand? In jail. I fixed this right now in the video, guys. So I'm doing things my way, not for them way. You understand? People, subscribe right now. Big up on yourself.
What me do and tell me I couldn't bake. Me a no baker. So music me that's the right too. As the comedian say, you have to do a one line and a peep if nobody a come. Fever! And I look if the you know, but yeah, man.
Yeah,
Plus, some
happy,
people were
happy,
on your
bro.
side in the institution who were representative of the institution.
No, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Did you have to hide and do it?
Yeah.
Me love how you style the place.
But you entered prison a star. Did you get star treatment?
I never get ill treatment. Mr. Reed, you can't take on my phone again.
Yeah.
The return show.
I know like when you leave work you say that. You understand?
To pull tens of thousands of Kartel-starved fans to his first post-prison performance. He says it will be in December. Or is that too soon? Mentions a couple names.
Bro, not because you have an iPhone 20,000 right now. If you have an iPhone 30 or an iPhone 40, there's no iPhone 30 nor no iPhone 40, bro. But if you have an iPhone 12, 11, they have iPhone 11? Oh, yes. 11, go to, what iPhone stop? 15 now, right? Yes, 15. Bro, don't watch this guy phone right now. He can bite, bro. You understand? Seems like, yo, this artist is rich, bro. Rich.
Want alongside him on that stage.
I like people still, you know. So,
Bruh.
I don't know. Spice, you know, Skilly Bang.
Are
Yeah.
the offers coming in? Can you even take some of those calls?
Yeah, man, I take the call them. I love money. The first show in December, Jamaica. We have Trinidad, we have Bahamas, and we are negotiate right now for Grenada and Barbados. So we'll be spinning there like tornadoes. Well,
Yeah.
me not give you the location in about I think you know what the promoter. Because go one man campaign me, you know. Because it's a hefty sum. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
Mr. Miller, and one
that?
thing I want
Ramesh?
to tell the people them out at airport. I better build some more runway. Because you see that show ya? I think the venue will about 50 to 100,000 people. I mean, I tell you, say, when the venue full with 100,000 people, me know say 100,000 people are go outside. I mean, I talk to them outside, me I talk straight.
And those
Really?
13 years would have took.
People, if you're gonna go to this concert in December, bro, subscribe to me right now. No cap, bro. If you're gonna go, comment right now. Leave your comment, guys. You understand? Don't say you're gonna go and then you don't go. Enough house I gotta sell now. John no star. Yo, people. Yo, I feel like go outside right now and look for my car, bro. Because anyone steal my car, bro, and then when you look, you steal my car to go Vybz Kartel show, bro. Yeah, John no star.
What lesson in particular?
Time is precious.
People, you're gonna find a lot of thief on the road, bro. By the time it touch even in October, bro, stay off the street, bro. Because guys gonna loot. Gonna loot everywhere, bro. Rob everywhere just to attend his show, bro. This dancehall artist is epic.
Don't play with it. And as much as you can, stay out of bad energy. Because sometimes you don't have to do nothing, you know. You can just
True.
step on a corner with your little school friend, you know. And you don't know your school friend a gunman, you know. And a man come and fire be a shot and you dead all your school friend escape, you know. So as much as you can, you stay out of negative energy. And just know that time is precious.
Yeah,
And when it's gone, you can't get it back.
True.
You know? That's the biggest lesson.
You have
Right.
any political aspirations?
Well, one thing I know, if I run for MP, I can't lose. That's what I'm sure about. And I could leave it at that.
What would be the first thing that would occur to you to say to people based on the accumulated experience of 13 years in prison?
Time is so precious. You can't get it back. You can't get back money. Because I say from I come from prison, the amount of money when I get back. Although I never broke, the amount of money I have to spend for fight that case. Yeah. As enough as it is, I almost make it back already. But to me, the money not even, I say just for even hold my granddaughter and my aunt and them things there. Them things right now important to me. Set me free. Hey, here. Y'all run down the Gaza youth. What you expect me to do? Love them. Then
People.
touch them.
Brawling.
But I see them every day. I'm out.
People, so y'all hear his voice. Understand when he come out, his voice going to be changed, right? Yeah, it might gonna look different. You have a lot of people saying, "Oh, Vybz Kartel look different. That is not Vybz Kartel. That is a clown. That is a clown." Like, who is the clown right now? You is the clown, bro. Like, first thing, Vybz, like no one gonna kiss Vybz Kartel fiance. So I guess you're wrong. All the people that saying he's clown, wrong. You understand? Who is that guy right on ER? Really, bro? A clown going to do all of this, bro? Like, guys, stop saying it's a clown, bro. No make no sense, bro. This is the real Vybz Kartel, bro. Why price go up? Can price go up for a clown? Eh? No, bro. This is the real Vybz Kartel. You understand? Look at what you did. People may have lyrics to you know. We are watching PR and a PR. And me I tell us this a AR interview right now. People, y'all reach the end, y'all reach the end, y'all reach the end. Okay, yes, this is the end. One Vybz Kartel, 9 people in place. I can't 3. You understand?
Up to the time, you know, it's Kartel representing for ER. It's been 13 years and they still know who we are. No?
Brawling.
Oh.
People are on Gaza and I play. Yo, turn up. People, y'all want to hear the Gaza mix. Y'all wanna hear Vybz Kartel mix right now? Go over One Code Music right now, people. One Code Music of the hottest dancehall Vybz Kartel mix. You understand? Yes, and a mix up. A mix. You understand? We don't play CD no more. You understand? Nor cassette. Walk with your hard drive. You understand? Yes, people, and load up the mix right now and play it in your car. Oh. You understand? Yes. In a comment we go par. Yo, may I try build some lyrics, bro. I'm not no artist, bro, but I'm a skanker. You understand? I'm a dancer. People, y'all want to see me dancing? Follow me right here. Silk Codex. You understand? On Instagram, all over, bro. You understand? All over. Even if you type Silk Codex on Google, it's gonna pop up. Because we don't play with poodle. We don't eat noodle. You understand? People have lyrics. You understand? Big up on yourself. You reach the end. Subscribe right now. Bing! Right there. Thank you very much. People. I'm out.